Hi, welcome to my channel. I am Teacher Sarah, and this is the channel where you learn English step by step. If you are new to this channel, I said welcome, and please do well to hit the subscription button so you don't miss out on any video that will be coming up every Sunday on this channel. And for my returning subscribers and viewers, I said welcome. So today we are going to be learning 5 ways to pronounce the letter sound A, the letter sound A. We're going to learn how to pronounce it. The letter R has different ways to be pronounced in different words. So we're going to learn how to say this letter R sound in English language. So we're going to start with the short A found in the word cat. Short A in the word cat. Cat. You hear the sound A in the middle. Cat. Then we are going to also look at the long letter R that says A in the word cake. Cake. The long letter R that says A in the word cake. And then we're going to look at the short R. The short R in the word surfer. Surfer. And we're also going to look at the bold R in the word father. Father. And then the R control R in the word car. Car. Can we say these words again and listen to the sounds where the letter R comes in? We have the short R in cats. Cat. We have the long R in cake, as in A, in cake. We have the bold R in the word father. Father. And we have the short R in the word surfer. We have the R control R in the word car. Car. Good. Please keep practicing these words. And I also want to see your own. I would love to hear your comments and suggestions on the comment section. And please do wait to hit the like and subscription button so that others who are interested can get to see this video. Thank you and see you in our next class.